Hey guys, in this video I'll show you I built out a Canva Clone Pro PDF editor directly in the browser using Mozilla PDF.js library and PDF-LIB library. So this is the actual project, guys. You can just see almost 2200 lines of code. This is there. It's written entirely in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So it's a single page SaaS kind of a software as a service application. So it doesn't have any backend. Everything runs directly in the browser. So this is actually a single file, index.html. As you can see, all the code is present in this single file. So we just written HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So almost 2200 lines of code. So it's an ultimate PDF editor. It has all the features. Let me show you the demo. If you want to purchase this, I have given the link in the description. You can directly purchase this. So once you purchase it, you will get the source code automatically downloaded from Google Drive, and you can easily run this using the live server extension in VS Code, and it's very easy to deploy this application as well. So this is actually the PDF editor. First of all, you simply select the PDF file that you want to edit. After that, it will show you the live preview, the total number of pages. Then you can individually select, and then you have the pen operator to highlight, annotate anything. Really easy, as you can just see right here. You can go to the next page, and this we also have the color picker. Just change the color, and then you can again highlight something. You also have the support for adding your images. Simply select whatever image, and you can just place it accordingly. Adjust the size as well, and then you also have the option to comment at any page number. So this comment will be inserted, as you can just see right here. You also have the capability to add notes as well. Just click and at that location, really easy. So it will save you a lot of time because it's a Canva clone. All the features are there for adding pages as well. So if you want to add a blank page, you simply select this button right here. So now this will add a blank page inside your PDF file, or you can add the text here. So you can basically add whatever text you want to add right here. Multiple text, as you can just see here. You can even add a image as well. So just place it accordingly. And now the PDF file contains 3 pages. So now once you are happy with the changes, you can click the export PDF button. So once you click this, all the changes will be reflected back. So all the highlighting, text, images you added, the pages are successfully saved. So this is actually a single page application. So it's a Canva clone PDF editor. If you are interested in this, I have given the link in the description. You can directly purchase it. Apart from that, if you want to actually hide something, you can use this operator, which is whiteout. So once you select this, you simply select whatever text that you want to hide. So that text will be hidden. So really easy. So many a times in PDF editing, you do need to hide something. So that this operator comes into the picture. You simply select and that text will be hidden. So you can go to the next page. If you want to highlight, hides this one as well. And then again click export PDF. After that, that text will be hidden or deleted. So really easy. The PDF highlighting, annotating, adding text, images. So all the editing functionalities are there in this single page application. If you are interested, guys, you can actually use this. For building this, we are using these two libraries, which are PDF. First of all, Mozilla PDF.js, which is a JavaScript PDF library, and also we are using this library as well, PDF-LIB, which also is a JavaScript library for modifying PDF documents. So we are actually using these two libraries to building out this complete PDF Canva clone PDF editor and generator. So if you can even add a duplicate page as well, or delete any certain page. So if you don't want this first page, you can click the delete page button. You can even duplicate a page as well. So now everything will be duplicated. So all these functionalities are there. So definitely purchase it if you like it. You can easily modify the source code or add additional features as well. So almost 2200 lines of code is there.